Hi guys, my name is Jiten and I'm today going to show you how to create dynamic contents or components in Android during runtime. So let's get started. I'm using Android Studio for my development purpose, and I've created a simple demo project to show you this concept. So I have created one layout as demo.xml, in which I have used scroll view, relative layout, and table layout. This is the table layout in which I'll be appending my rows which I'll be creating at runtime, and I'll be appending to this particular table layout. So when your activity will be loading up, once it gets loaded, you will be seeing rows inside this particular table. I have created an activity as demo activity over here. So I've extended this particular class and overridden its method. I have called table layout by its ID. This is the table layout which I've talked to you before, that is this one. Same, I'll be getting add button over here. I'm not going to demonstrate you about addition, clicking on add button, because this will going to do the same thing which we are going to do on the call of this onCreate method, which is nothing but adding up a row in a table. So this is the particular method. I'm creating a table row over here. I'm assigning some dynamic ID. I have taken table ID assign counter as its for creating its ID. We can use set tag as its method, passing dynamic ID to it, appending this table row, and this particular counter I'll be incrementing counter after every last line of this method, so it will dynamically increase its count. And whenever we call this particular add row function by this button, it will keep on increasing its counter, thus gives us the unique ID. This is the table layout params. We can give some parameters of margins. This is left, top, right, and bottom. I'm creating a table layout over here. I'll be appending this table layout to this particular row, and at the end this particular row to this table layout, which is nothing but this one. So table row, table layout. Now I'll be creating a table row which I'll be appending into this table layout. I'll be adding some components, that is edit text and spinner, to this particular table layout, table row, and at the end to this table layout. As you can see, I've created some edit boxes and I've given some text to it. This is again for layout params, just for the display purpose. I've taken a spinner, I've taken an edit text. So what I'll be doing is I'll be creating two rows. I'll be creating two rows and I'll be appending it to this particular table layout, and this particular table layout I'll be appending it to this table row, and at the end this table row to this final table layout. So this is the first table row, this is the second table row. In HTML, if I have to explain you in HTML form, then this is nothing but tr, and there's nothing like td over here. You just have to append components to it. So this is the table row 1, this is table row 2, this is the one table layer I was talking about, that is this one. I'm simply adding table row to it. So table has table row 1, table 1 has table row 2. So this table will have 2 rows, and this particular row will have some components inside it. Finally, this table row which we have created at the top of this method, I'll be appending this particular table row, this particular table layout, sorry, to this table row. And finally, the main table layout, which we have it in our layout file, I'll be appending to this table row to it, and at the end I'll be incrementing the router. So it will give the output. I'll be sharing you the output on my cell phone. Thank you for watching, and do give up a thumbs up to this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.